Hello guys, there we have a Realme C33 and today I will show you how you can scale up body temperature on your device. So in the first step we have to download the app. I choose that one and open it. Remember to turn off your sounds of your phone because this app is very loud. Now skip and wait a moment. Now we have to close the app and go here to the scan. Now just hold your finger here. Remember that app will not work properly if you don't have a temperature sensor. As you can see, this is my results. If you want to save it, just click here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.